This is your conductor speaking. Know how long this train will be in the station. Due to the stop train ahead of us. But for those who wish access into Brooklyn, please take the downtown 405 to Fulton Street.
This is the day we met. I remember being drawn to you even then.
Excuse me?
And she looks at me like she doesn't even know who I am. Why would she do that to me? God, she's punishing me.
I know.
We're being honest.
It's horrible.
Man, I can't remember anything without you.
That's very sweet, but try, okay?
Okay.
Remember me. Try your best.